Sure, let's learn how to crochet flowers. We can see a white flower with white petals and a yellow center. They are typically created by crocheting 2 rounds in total. What we need are white and yellow yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. First, let's start by crocheting the first round, which represents the center of the flower. First, create a magic ring by wrapping the yarn around your finger to form a loop. Next, we will crochet 5 single crochet stitches inside the magic ring. Make a slip knot first. Then, crochet 5 single crochet stitches inside the magic ring. For the first single crochet stitch, insert the crochet hook into the magic ring. Then, yarn over and pull through the loop of the magic ring. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Unhook at once. Great! The first single crochet stitch is now complete. Use a stitch marker to mark it. Next, let's crochet the second single crochet stitch. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. Okay, we finished it. Next, we will remove the loop from the crochet hook. Pull the yarn tightly to close the magic ring. Remove the stitch marker and warp the yarn again. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Finally, pull the yarn tail to lengthen it, tightening the end of the yarn that is further away from us. Great! The first round is now complete. Let's count the positions of the single crochet stitches in the first round. Okay, this is the first single crochet stitch. And then this is the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one. Next, let's proceed with crocheting the second round. In the second round, we will crochet the white petals. We need to switch to the white yarn. Take out the white yarn and warp the yarn on fingers. Place the crochet hook above the white yarn. Yarn over and pull through the yellow loop on hook. Then, pull the yellow yarn tightly, securing the white yarn in place. Make to chain stitch. Next, in the first stitch, Crochet to double crochet stitches. Yarn over and insert it into the first stitch. Both the white and yellow yarn tails are positioned above the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through, and then complete the double crochet stitch. Okay, the first double crochet stitch is complete. Make sure to mark it. Next, in the same stitch, crochet another double crochet stitch. Then chain 2, insert into next stitch hole. The first petal is now complete. Repeat the previous steps to complete the second petal. Chain 2 first. Then make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, chain 2. Now we cut down the yarns we had before. Slip stitch into next stitch hole. Great! The second petal is now complete. Sure, go ahead and quickly complete the crochet steps for the third petal. The fourth petal. The fifth petal. Slip stitch into the first stitch hole of round 1. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Insert the crochet hook back into the first stitch and bring the yarn tail to the backside of the flower. Great! Our entire flower with 5 petals is now complete. It has 2 yarn tails. We have made 4 leaves, 1 flower, and the strawberry. Now we assemble them together. There are 6 to 8 stitches between each leaf. We will use the needle to sew the first leaf on the vine, about right here. Sewing across the 8th stitch from the strawberry. Then tie it on the vine. At last, cut the excess yarn. Please tie the other leaves on the vine with the same method. See you later. You can also do it by using crochet hook. Insert hook into the stitch hole. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over again and pull through. Fasten off and cut the excess yarn. Then we tie the flower on the vine. Put it where you like, using the hook to grab the yarn and pull through. Then we flip the piece over and tie the 2 threads together. Cut the excess thread. Great! We completed 1 vine. Please everyone follow the same method to create 4 more vines, with 3 vines having strawberries and 1 vine without strawberries. We finished 5 vines, with 4 vines having strawberries and 1 vine without strawberries. We have also previously completed the crocheting of the pot and the lid. Now we assemble them together. Gather the tails of the vines together. Insert the crochet hook through the center hole of the lid. Yarn over all the tails and pull through. You can also finish it by making more times. Next, tighten the thread to secure the vines. Then flip it over and pull the loose ends of the lid's thread tightly to shrink the hole, and secure them together with the loose ends of the vine's thread. Next, we take out our pot and stuff it. Put the lid onto the pot. Find a long thread from the lid and thread it through the sewing needle. We sew the inner stitches along the edge of the pot and the outermost edge of the lid together. Let me demonstrate. This is the first stitch. Remember to match up each stitch as you sew along. Next, everyone please proceed to complete the remaining stitches on your own. We have completed one round of stitching. Now, tie a knot here and tuck the loose thread end inside the pot to finish. Finally, pull up the rope, adjust the balance, and tie the end of the rope together to secure it. Congratulations on completing this beautiful strawberry hanging plant. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.